friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Liberty, and today I want to show you how I am going to decorate and set up my nature's journal as well as my traveler's notebook field journal. I really like the brown leather. I really feel like this is going to be very sturdy when I take it outside with me. And when you open it, it comes with a few inserts and some metal hardware, including a binder, which helps keep your pages open while you're journaling. And there is a nice pen loop that you can attach right to the side of your journal. There's also an extra elastic band to add more pages, and there is a nice cardboard folder as well as a nice plastic insert. And I really like this canvas insert. You can put so many things in this journal if you want to, but it's like a light green color. I really feel like it matches the journal quite well. Has a nice zipper on the side, so you can really grow into your journal. So I have a few pages. I have some dot grid pages, and I also have some plain pages. And I know this insert also, I believe, came with some graph pages as well. So when you want to add more than one journal into your notebook, you want to make sure this elastic band is in the center of each journal. So as you can see here, I put the elastic band right between the pages, right in the center where the staples are. And then I can attach two journals like so. And then you have a nice set of journals to put into your notebook. And then you insert one of those journals into the rubber band inside of the journal, and that's how you attach it to your notebook. So as you can see here, I was just adding the canvas folder as well as the plastic folder around each one of the journals. I really think this is going to be very convenient and easy to grow into. Now I was just getting a little bit greedy. I added another journal into this notebook, and just making sure it's not too chunky. It fits very well. It's amazing how much these journals can hold. I ultimately love how this is turning out. I do believe it's going to be very convenient and useful. I am excited about using it. So I just wanted to make sure that everything was fitting. And now I want to look into decorating it. Just because it's functional doesn't mean it can't be pretty as well. was completely inspired by two people here on YouTube, Journal de Sylvie as well as Muir Laws. They have a wonderful journal setups for nature journaling, and they have a lot of tips and tricks about going into nature and observing and jotting things down that you observe into journals. So I highly suggest checking out their channels as well, and I will link them both down below. And I just need a moment with this sticker here. I feel like it reminds me of me, just being out in nature with my backpack and taking in everything around me. I just really love this decal so much. So I have a couple of these waterproof field guides that I really wanted to add to my journal. So I just put them into the elastic bands, and they actually fit quite nicely. Initially, I tried to fit them into the pocket folders, but it didn't quite fit. It was a little bit of a tight fit. So adding them like this just fits nicely, and I like that everything is within reach. Everything is in one little system, and I feel like it turned out quite nicely. As you can see towards the end of the video, the wildflower one didn't quite fit, so I just put it towards the back of the journal, and that's just fine. this is my setup so far. I really like how it turned out. I know it's a little bit thick and a little bit chunky, but honestly, I kind of like it like that. I love that everything is in one spot here. I actually tried using the pen that came with the journal, and I think it writes beautifully. I'm actually going to continue to use it. So when you first open the journal, you will see the foraging inserts, and I like that I can access them quite easily, as you can see here, and it fits beautifully in this journal. I really like how it just kind of goes with the theme. As far as this clear pocket, I might put some maps or something like that in there. I'm not sure yet, but I am allowing some room to grow into this journal, so I do like to have some spaces that I can put other things in. And I love how this first decorative page turned out, and just going to keep my clip right there. It's handy, so if I journal in the field, it will help keep the pages open. And I have a couple of different pages in here. I have some dot pages, and as well as the canvas. As you can see here, I don't have anything in it at the moment on this side, but it will allow me some space to grow into it. And here is another decorative page, and I have some graph journaling paper here, and I like the simplicity of the back of this journal. And I kept a little reference guide to animal tracks. I like to check out animal tracks when I'm on my hikes, and I have bugs and slugs, because if you're in nature, you always come across something like that. It's always nice to know what you're looking at. Again, I really love having these reference guides within this journal, and this is my favorite cover. I just love how this turned out. I love the stickers and the washi tape, and I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm really enjoying the vibe of this journal so far. And in the back here, I have some blank pages that I can add my Polaroids to, maybe do some watercolor. And I have an extra pocket if I have a ticket, or if I grab any information from a state park or something like that, or a receipt, I can add those back here as well. And in the very back, this wildflowers reference guide didn't quite fit inside of the elastic band, which is fine because it still fits in my journal easily. So I can just tuck it into the back and still put the band around the journal, and it stays secure. So that's my journal so far. I really like how it turned out. I think it's going to be very handy when I'm out and about. And next, I'm going to just quickly add some stickers to the journal I will keep from home.